5 advantages of online banking. Most banks offer online banking service that enable you to pay your bills, transfer money, and access a record of your checking account transactions from your web browser. Banking from the comfort of your sofa at any time of the day or night makes everything you do with your finances a bit easier. Here are 5 advantages of online banking. Number 1. Pay your bills online. One of the advantages of online banking is you can bank at home. You can use your bank's website to pay your bills online and never worry about your check getting lost in the mail. Most banks have a section in which you set up payees. You will need to fill out the information once, and then you can simply choose that payee every time you need to make a payment. Most banks will let you set up a recurring automatic payment in the same amount every month. This feature is helpful for an expense like a car payment or insurance policy that doesn't change from month to month. Alternatively, you can authorize a payee such as an electric utility or mortgage provider to automatically debit the amount of money you owe from your account. You can set up automatic debit by first going to the company's website and creating an online login if you haven't already done so. You will then need to go to the billing or payment part of the website and click on the link that mentions automatic payments. You will have to provide the number of the checking account you want the money to be debited from, as well as your bank's routing number. Authorizing authorizing a payee to debit from your account gives the control of the payment to the vendor, not as you as the payer. It is better to set up a recurring payment from your bank account to be sure you are paying only what you owe. Number 2. Fewer transactions. Online banking allows you to access your account history and transactions from anywhere. This is the quickest way to see whether a transaction has cleared your account. It also enables you to find out about any unauthorized transactions more quickly, so you can dispute them right away. Many banks will show you your pending transaction. These are transactions that are initiated on the current business day or after the close of the business on the previous business day, and so have not yet been completed. Note: pending transactions may not reflect the exact amount of the purchase. For example, if you pay for a bill at a restaurant with a debit card, the tip will often not be included in the amount of the pending transaction. The entire amount, including tip, will be shown in your account once the bank has authorized the total payment. Number 3. Transfer money between accounts. You can quickly transfer money between accounts when you do it online. It's more convenient than going to the bank in person or using an automated phone service, which requires you to provide information when prompted. If you are transferring money between different types of accounts at the same bank, the transfer should go through on the same day. If you are transferring money to an account in a different bank, it may take up to 3 days. When you have more than one saving goal, say for the down payment on a home and for the cost of a wedding, you might consider opening multiple saving accounts and easily transfer money from your checking account into them. Saving accounts tend to have a lower amount minimum balance requirements than checking accounts, and some banks don't require one at all, so you won't have to start out with a lot of money. Number 4. Bank on your phone with a mobile app. Most banks offer a mobile app that allows you to more easily take advantage of online banking on your phone. You can quickly check up on your accounts when you are out shopping, transfer funds so you don't end up overdrawing, or make sure a merchant hasn't double charged you. Banking apps typically let you deposit checks by using the camera on your phone to take photos of the front and endorsed back of the check. You usually have to write something like "for mobile deposit only," name of the bank on the back of the checks as well. Note: make sure you are using your banking app on a secure network. To avoid having sensitive information stolen, never exit it using public Wi-Fi. Number 1. Sync with your budget applications. Many budgeting apps such as Mint and Pocket Guard can be synced with your online banking information. That feature makes sticking to your budget much easier. If you have a spouse or partner that you share your bank or credit card accounts with, you might want to look for an app that enables you to easily sync your info with each other. Better Halves, Home Budget, and Honeydo, for example, are budgeting apps designed specifically for couples or households.